Good morning, everyone. So, still people are joining in, and let's wait for a little more time and let us. Okay. So, once again, very good morning, everyone. So, welcome to Prebell with William O'Neill India. So, before we starting this session, this is disclaimer. Registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL, and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related document carefully before investing. So yesterday, after our market has been closed, everyone was waiting for US Federal Reserve outcome. So yesterday night they have cut the interest rate, and because of that, the US market has been traded little bit volatile, and they have closed in the minor losses. And you can see here Dow Jones 0.25%, S&P 500 negative 0.3%, Nasdaq also, and European market is also on closed on a negative note. And taking cues from the US market, Asian market has been trading nearly at highs, except Korean market. And Gift Nifty currently trading at 25,480 kind of level, which is a key resistance area for the Nifty. Let's see how the market opens. Let's come to the key news. As I said, US Fed rate cuts the interest rate first time after 4 years. After Corona COVID era, so there is a 50 basis point rate cut and currently stands at 4.75% to 5% kind of level. And this is the mark of beginning of monetary easing from the US Federal Reserve. And they also projects around 50 basis points cut in this particular year itself, in the 2024. So they are expected to cut another around 50 basis points in the next couple of months. And they also sees benchmark index rate at 3.4% by the end of 2025. So they are expecting another four cuts in the next year. So that's regarding Federal Reserve outcome. And come to the domestic market, government approved the dilution of IRDA shares up to 7% in via QIP. And NTPC Green Energy, the parent company is NTPC, is filed the draft for 10,000 crore IPO. And Nazara Technologies to raise around 900 crore via preferential issue. And GRSC got an order worth of 54 million from the Kasten render from German company. And RBI approves Aditya Birla Capital's amalgamation with the AB Finance. And Awas Financiaries approves non-convertible debenture issue of worth of 6,030 crore. And Ion Exchange backs a order worth of 161 crore contract from Adani Power. And GE T&D and India promoter sells up to 11.7% stake via OFS at rupees 1,400 per share. This is a key news from the domestic market. And taking cues from the what derivative data suggests is Nifty's PCR is currently 0.89, so slightly negative because of yesterday's volatility. Majority of the investors, mid caps investor booked profit yesterday. However, maximum call is placed around 26,000 kind of level, and followed by 26,500. And max put OI is placed around 25,000 kind of level and 24,500. And yesterday, FI have bought in the cash market. Even both DIA also have bought the in cash market, and FI in F&O they have added around 20,000 longs and 3,500 kind of shorts in yesterday's market. And come to the Nifty 50 chart technically. So if you see the Nifty 50 chart in this last week, so after that very good bullish candle on September 12th, last Thursday. After that, from last 4 days, it's trading has been sideways trend. So if you can see here, there's a very narrow range of trading in the, especially in the Nifty 50. So our volume is also on the lower side. So it's kind of a dicey situation where the market is headed in before this event. So now the event is over, and we have seen the 50 basis cut in the Federal Reserve. So we might see the key resistance area is for Nifty 50 is 25,500 level, where that if that level breaks and sustains above that level, and we might see some more upside in the Nifty 50. So we might see 6,000, 650 kind of level in coming sessions. And key support area for intraday kind of level for the Nifty 50 is around 25,200 kind of level. Sorry, 250 kind of level. And if that level breaks, next level key level is supposed to be at 21 DMA. Sorry, the intraday key level is around 25,350. So 25,350 is a key level for intraday level for Nifty 50, and the major key support is placed around 21 DMA. So that is around 25,200 kind of level. For if that breaks, we might see some more fall in Nifty 50. So thank you for joining this session, and I would like to invite you all for today's evening session with Pawan Jaiswal and me. So I will. So thank you for joining this, and thank you everyone.